What is going on, guys? My name is Mew Coder, or you can say Meow Coder. Welcome to very first JavaScript tutorial. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a dynamic programming language that adds interactive, responsive and functionality to website. It's the secret sauce behind those captivating web applications and interactive features you encounter every day. For example, if you have a web page and you want to add a cost calculator, navigation menu, or a pop-up banner, pop-up banner. First, I will start one. Give me 1 second, guys. Uh, uh, uh. Let me first start Notepad plus plus. Notepad plus plus. Okay. So okay. So where I okay, for example, if you have web page and you want to add a cost calculator, or navigation menu, or a pop-up banner for lead generation, especially in e-commerce website, you use such type of banners where you can get the customer information. In order to do this, you need to use special language called JavaScript, and that's why I'm teaching you guys. So to start typing JavaScript, we need text editor. Here I will use Notepad plus plus. You can easily download Notepad plus plus from its website directly, or you can Google it. So here is my Notepad plus plus. Okay, so you can see this is Notepad plus plus, which we will using which for writing our JavaScript program. So okay, okay. So we already discussed about what is JavaScript. So okay, imagine being able to create a dynamic content, validate user inputs, manipulate HTML elements on the fly, and even build powerful web application. With JavaScript, the possibilities are endless. Before we dive into the coding, let's quickly cover some key concepts. First, JavaScript a client-side scripting language, which means it runs directly in the user web browser. This allows for immediate feedback and reduces the need of server request. Let me write this for you. Second, JavaScript is a higher level language, meaning it's designed to be a human readable and less concerned with low level details. This makes it beginner friendly and easily to grasp. Third, uh, before discussing third point, let me write second point for you guys. This one is second point. Okay. Third, JavaScript is an event-driven language. It responds to user action like button clicks, form submission, or even mouse movements. It's all about creating interactive experience. And nowadays, every website is having interactive experiences. Without interactive experiences, you feel like you are living in 90s, unless you are using a website which is developed in 90s. Okay, now let's jump into some coding example to get a taste of what JavaScript can do. Here we have a basic JavaScript function that prompts. Okay. Let me first tell you how the basic code start. Uh, so we will okay. We will end this video here. So what we will do for in this video, we had discussed only the introduction of JavaScript and where it is used, and how we can use JavaScript in HTML code so that our web page become interactive, and we can add various functionalities in that simple web page. And how we are going to use JavaScript, we already discussed. So okay, in next video we will start with the example. So thank you guys, and please subscribe to my channel, and sorry for the fumbles in the video.